Good morning, HOD Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir, my seminar guide Mohammad Said sir, seminar coordinator D.P. Sharma sir, faculty members, examiner and my friends. I am Sandeep Singh Rajpurohit, pursuing my Bachelor of Technology from University Department, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota of Mechanical Engineering. My seminar topic is Artificial Neural Network. This is going to be our list of content and introduction. As the days are passing by, we come across new and latest innovation which is use artificial intelligence to ease our use of the devices, and outcome the solution mix both the intelligence and achieves symbiosis between human and AI. To achieve this, we can use the neural lace technology as well as brain machine interference. Now we discuss what is AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It is refers to develop of intelligent computer system that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. AI systems are designed to understand reasons and learn from data in a way that is similar to human thinking. AI technology include machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision and robotics among others. Now we discuss about ANN. So ANN is stand for artificial neural network. It is a type of machine learning algorithm designed to simulate the way the human brain works. It is used in Neuralink technology. In this picture, we saw the nerve system and spinal nerves. The question arises that what is brain machine interference? So brain machine interference is a technology that enables communication between the human brain and external device such as a computer, prosthetic limb. A BMI system uses sensor that detect neural activity in the brain and translate this activity into commands that can be used to control the external device. There are different type of BMI systems, including invasive and non-invasive system. Invasive BMI system require the implementation of electrodes directly into the brain tissue, which non-invasive system use sensors that are placed on the scale other parts of the body. This is the picture of BMI. Now coming on Neuralink technology. Neuralink is a neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk with the goal of developing a brain-machine interference. The company is primarily focused to develop implementable device that can directly interfere with the human brain, enable bidirectional communication between the brain and external device. Neuralink technology involved implementing teeny electrodes into the brain. It can detect and transmit signal, enabling a person to control computer, prosthetic device or other machine with their thoughts. Now advantage of Neuralink. Neuralink technology could help to use become smarter by connecting our brain directly to computers, allowing us to access vast amount of information at any time. It could also improve memory recall by recording memory and playing the back at the later date. Now disadvantage of Neuralink. If Neuralink is implemented incorrectly, it can lead to interface and inflammation in the brain, which may result in an increased risk of developing analyzer disease later in life. Another disadvantage of Neuralink is that may be abused by people who want to control other or steal information from them. Now application of Neuralink. Enhancing human cognitive abilities, helping people with disabilities, treating mental health condition, controlling device with thoughts, unlocking the mysterious of the brain. Now future scope of Neuralink. Access to the brain and being controlled, merge your intelligence with AI, and third, digital memory. Okay, now coming to the reference slide, these are some reference from while I have done my research work. Okay, now coming to end, I hope you all enjoy this session. Thank you.